Good evening and welcome to 200forexwebs.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 26th of June 2017. Okay, first of all, guys, I'm going to clear one thing that on Friday the market was not good for analysis. As you have already seen, that market has completely behaved fundamentally on Friday. And even today, some pairs are not, not performing well as per the technical analysis. But I will try my best to throw the light on those pairs. Okay, so first of all, we are going to start with USD Canadian dollar here. So you can see that we have a clear drop right from the morning, and you can see that the sell position is taken on USD Canadian dollar. Okay, now I'm going to update the signal because it's just on the way, because I have supplied the entry for my traders at 132337, and I have a bearish expectation on USD Canadian dollar, and you can clearly see that from the overbought levels the market is getting a rejection and it's breaking the line. Okay, also if you look at the 4-hour chart, then I'm just going to remove this line and it will be more clear for you. You can see that we have a clear indication for a downward trend through the scalper, and it's getting a downward move right from many hours. That's what I'm looking on this chart. So I'm expecting a more downward trend on the basis of H1 chart, and you need to be very careful with USD Canadian dollar because as per my opinion, I do not think so that buying this pair is handy at the moment. So sell positions can be a good option at this stage. Okay, next trade I'm going to talk about the New Zealand USD here. Okay, first of all, let me go to the chart. Okay, so guys, we have this signal is half expired because you can see that we have received the downward trend right from the entry. Because if I talk about the signals report, then this is the second signal of my signals report. So it basically just fall down below the entry there because I have a bearish expectation on New Zealand USD, and first it came down and then it entered the oversold levels, but I was expecting a more downfall, but suddenly this is the fundamental that what I'm looking, that it has again moved up and now it's again going to test my entry. Okay guys, now here you need to be very careful because what I'm going to update is that if it will get the rejection from the same level, you can just note down this level 072908. So if it will get a rejection from that level, then again we will see this pair to be down on New Zealand USD, because if we talk about the complete analysis of the day, then we are looking everything to be in a downward move. Because if you look at here on the 4-hour chart, if you look at New Zealand USD, then one thing is very clear that it has already moved up, and now we have two confirmations for a downward trend. You can see that we have three confirmations, 1, 2, 3 doji here, and also the hammer here. Okay, now sometimes it happens that if you look at on the hourly chart, the market is making an upward momentum, but on the 4-hour chart you can clearly see that the market is just near to the resistance. So such type of trades can be very difficult to understand, but overall I'm looking the market to be down, because it happens sometimes that after going for a certain period of time, the market again check the resistance, and after that sellers dominate the market. So what I'm looking New Zealand USD in the longer hours, I'm expecting a downward trend on this pair, and I have also supplied the bearish signal to my subscribers in the morning. Okay, at next let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD here. So as you can see that sell position is taken, and it has behaved technically according to the analysis that I have given in my report. So we have a downfall at 127538, and you can clearly see that the market has made a bearish pattern on Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, if we talk about the full day analysis, then I'm expecting this pair to be down, because if I go to the 4-hour chart now guys, one thing is very clear. We have a very good upward trend and we have a clear hammer on the chart here. So what should be the next idea on Great Britain Pound USD? So buying Great Britain Pound USD at this price is not a good option. So selling can be handy, but you must note that you should sell this pair once you have a valid sell confirmations on the basis of 4-hour chart, because now the analysis is on the basis of a 4-hour chart. We have a very good hammer after an upward trend, and this should be hopefully this should be the end of the upward trend, and the market should continue into the downward direction into the later hours because Great Britain Pound has moved so up as per my analysis. Okay, USDJPY, let's talk about it. I have supplied the bullish signal in the morning, and hopefully the subscribers should be in profit because the market has moved from 11128 to the more upward side. And now look at here, let's match the concept of Great Britain Pound USD and USDJPY. Okay, we are almost done with the signals, and if you have traded these 4 candles, then I think you should be in a very good profit. There is no need to try USDJPY in a bullish way. Now guys, why I was focusing on Great Britain Pound USD, now you can clearly see that we have an upward trend, we have a hammer here, and then we have received a downfall in the next hours, and that's why I was saying, as per the 4-hour chart, that we have a hammer after an upward trend. So you need to be very careful, because this trade can be a risky thing for you also. So as you can see that we have a drop on USDJPY, so that's why I say that you need to be very careful. But overall, what I'm going to update here is that, because this is the hourly chart, and we have a downfall here, so it can continue to go down for some time. But if you look at the 4-hour chart, then still we have bullish signs on the pair, and what I'm looking is this: the market can go down for next 4 to 6 hours, or maybe 3 to 4 hours, and then the market should again go up in the longer hours. Okay, let's talk about the USDCHF. Yes, this was a very deceptive trade in the morning, because we have traded this portion, because I have supplied the bearish signal to my subscribers. In the case of USDCHF, the entry was 097087. The market went down for some time, and after that it has again moved up. Okay, now guys, if we talk about the technical analysis, then you know that my signals are based on the full day trading. Now you can clearly see that after upward trend, we have couple of dodges here. You can see one hammer here, sorry, this is the hammer, and we have a doji here. And after the appearance of these two, because these two show you the trend reversals, now you can see that there is a significant drop on the USDCHF chart. Okay, now if we talk about the 4-hour chart, then still you can see that the market tested the dotted blue line, and after that it has a very good rejection from that level. So now you need to watch USDCHF, because this entry can be again valid, 097087. If the market starts to go below that level, then with the selling, this pair can be a good option, because overall this pair is getting a rejection, and that's what I was expecting. Okay, what else? Right now I think I have discussed the rest of the pairs here. Okay, moreover guys, because here we have a Eid festival here, and I will be busy with the market, I will be busy with the festival, so I will not be available for analysis in the next part of the day. So I just find time for you, so that I can update you that what happened on Friday, and you need to be very careful on Monday today, because the market has still the fundamental behaviors inside it. Okay, if we talk about the main trend of the Euro USD today, then guys, be careful. I am not expecting a bullish momentum. What I am expecting is a downward trend in the longer hours, and you need to be very careful. And what next is AUD USD, I am expecting a bearish trend, and guys, you can note down these levels, because the market is just fighting on these levels, and I have just checked it, and I have a bearish expectation in the case of AUD USD. And at last I'm going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. You know that price has already moved so high, so I'm not expecting a more bullish trend on Great Britain Pound JPY. I'm expecting a downfall. Now this downfall can also come today, tomorrow, or maybe the day after tomorrow, but what is wise at this stage is selling Great Britain Pound JPY is a good option, not to buy this pair. Moreover guys, the rest of the things will be updated tomorrow. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the forex trading system that I use in my YouTube videos, and if you want to get one-to-one Skype coaching, or you want to request for forex video lessons that are prepared by me, then please send your inquiries on this email, info@200forexwebs.com. Like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.